Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, we are going to learn how to make use of conditional formatting. So how do I do that? If you go to Home, there is an option called Conditional Formatting. So now if you look at my Excel, I have different items here, and item, name and price has been provided. So if you look, there are certain values for each price. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to apply conditional format on these items. Say I'll be selecting the price of this particular item and then go to conditional formatting and highlight cell rules, and I want to show you first option, that is greater than. So if you look at the prices are 200, 150, 150, something like that have been provided. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to highlight which is greater than 125. So if you see here, if I press 125, see there are so many options where in what color or what filling you wanted to. So first option is light red fill with dark red text, or yellow fill with dark red yellow fill with dark yellow text. For example, if you select this, see it will get converted like this. Or else if you don't want all those things, you can select only red text. So you will be able to see this. So now what I wanted to do, I wanted to show you one more option. Go to conditional formatting, highlight and less than. So you can select another option less than, say for example 50. So if you provide less than 50, I will select a different color, green fill with red dark green text. So these two values are less than. So similarly, what I wanted to do, I wanted to do conditional formatting on between. So you can select a value, say for example in between 60 and 80. So what I wanted to do is, I wanted to make it as a red text, or already we have selected red text, yellow fill with yellow text. See, 60 and 80, in between we have only 75, that will get selected. So this way you can apply your conditional format using this particular option. So you can do the same thing with equal to also. For example, if you are talking about a particular text, you can go ahead with text that contains, and if you wanted to eliminate the duplicate values, or if you wanted to identify the duplicate values, then you can select this option. Okay, so you can practice based upon these examples. Thank you for watching.